This addition worksheet that I am showing today is good for kids who are in the last part of their preschool year, and especially those who are in kindergarten or upper KG. And I will go through so many different types of worksheets, and all these worksheets that you will see here will use lots of picture, and these will act as a visual aid to help them understand the concept of addition. So like I will introduce the word problem worksheet, then there will be a picture problem where they will see, they will count, and they will do the addition. And it will be also on the same pattern, the counting the objects and adding the number. So you will get to see different types of worksheet. So let's start. Here we are counting the circles and we have to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4. And here they will know that okay, in addition all the addends come together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the answer. Good. The same here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. And this also helps them to understand we can get 4 in so many ways. This can work the same way, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can make these worksheets in the home. Here they have to count the addends and then they have to write the corresponding number here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. 3 plus 2 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So here is 5. Again you can show them this is 1. What will come here? 1. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the same thing but with a different style. So different style worksheet makes your child feel excited, get excited for doing the work. It's not very repetitive, though the concept is same, but they have a different things to do here, and sometimes make it colorful. That looks even better. How many dots are there? 1. How many dots? 2. Now we will do addition. So 2 plus 1, 3. How many dots? 3. How many dots? 1. So always start counting after the bigger number. 3, 4. Counting objects and adding the number. Now what we see here, again the same concept but with a different style. Like this is 1 leaf here, and how many leaves are there? 3. 3 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 makes 4. 5, no. 3, no. So what is the answer? 4. So you can give them, okay, 4 is the answer. This is the 4. How many is here? 2. How many is here? 4. What will be the answer? 4, 5, 6. So you can make the multiple choice where they have several answers and then they have to choose one answer from there. So this is another kind of worksheet. And again here, this is a vertical addition that we do here. So now you see here it's 2. So they can make 2 lines. 4. They can make 4 lines. 4 plus 2. So count after 4 because 4 is the bigger number. 4, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now here 6 is a bigger number and 3 is a smaller number. So we don't have to make 6 lines. We will make 3 lines and count after 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here, which is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. So how many lines we'll make here? 3. 7, 8, 9, 10. And which is so this is another interesting way to teach how 0 will affect the addition. So this is 4, 0. So I cannot make any line. So what we got? In this case, they can make line here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing here, so the answer is 4. So this is another way of addition, is where they have to do the match. So once they know how to count the objects, after this you don't have to show the object, you can just simply give the addition problem and they have to match the correct answer. So 2 plus 1, count after 2, 3. Where is 3? Let's find out. Okay, 3 is here. Again, 3 plus 2, 5. Here. 5 plus 4, 9. And in this case also, like 5 is a bigger number, 4 is a smaller number, so they will make 4 lines. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 5. 5 is a smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where is 11? Let's find out. This is 11. So this is another worksheet which you can make, and these worksheets are very easy to make. You don't have to buy all those things. You just make it in home and you can give it to your child, and when they start reading, and then you can introduce this. So here is that Bob has 3 red flowers and 2 yellow flowers. Color the flowers red and yellow to match. So how many flowers is there? 3 red flowers. So you will color the 3 red flower. So suppose you will color this. So these will be the 3 red flower. So, and this is very interesting because your child will get a chance to color, which they love doing. The kids love coloring. So 3 red flower and how many yellow flowers? 2 yellow flowers. This is very interesting way to introduce word problem, because the word problem gets trickier because the whole aim of teaching arithmetic in kindergarten is that you are preparing your child for grade 1, and there you will have lots of words problem. So this is a very good strategy to teach word problem, because it's very visual and it's really hands-on, and your child will able to understand. So now 3 red flowers. So let's write now you have to count the object and write the equation here and solve. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 2 makes 5. Very nice. Now, so there are 4 black balls and 5 red balls. How many balls in all? So they will color it the same way. They will color and they will write 5 here and 4, and then it will become 9. So this is also very interesting way to introduce addition, a simple concept of word problem, that is add one more, like 5 and 1 more is equal to, so like they will make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1 more. 1 more. How many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's good way to introduce word problem in a very simplified manner. Once they understand this, then it will be even more easier to understand this little bigger word problem. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 more. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they can write 5 here. So these were the few worksheets that I made for the kindergartner and also for the preschooler. And this is a very good worksheet to practice the concept in different ways. So let me know how you like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on the video. And I'll bring more worksheet video for other classes, and also I am preparing some curriculum which I will bring for different classes. So right now I will go for kindergarten up till grade 3. So I'm going to bring those worksheets for kindergarten up till grade 3, their curriculum, and also on English. I am going to bring worksheet reading and writing, as well as I'm going to bring worksheet for those kids who have difficulty in reading or who have speech delays. So I have lots of things planned which I am going to introduce in my other videos, and I will definitely going to talk more about it. So see you then. Bye bye. Have a great day.